In this video, we're going to show you how to install the VVT solenoid on your Volvo XC60 located on the top portion of your engine. With the hood open, go ahead and locate the engine cover. You're going to go ahead and with two hands, grab each side and gently wiggle upward. You're going to dislodge the 4 rubber grommets securing this. Remove that cover and set it aside. You're going to locate your VVT solenoid right here. I'm going to go ahead and remove the electrical connector, push in on this tab, and wiggle this connector off. Right over here is a T30 Torx bit screw. Remove that screw, set that aside, we'll be reusing that. You want to go ahead and grab that unit, we're going to gently twist it. Now our VVT is kind of stuck in here a little bit, so we're going to use a little bit of spray solvent around the perimeter. Try and get in here and just gently pry this up. You can go ahead and spin this here, but it doesn't want to come out. Sometimes you can put some pliers on here and try and force it out. What we like to do is apply even pressure. I'm going to go ahead and use a flathead screwdriver under the mount right here where the screw goes, and take another thin screwdriver and come right around the edge here and just gently pry it up. With that even pressure, it does allow this to lift up and out. Before installing the component, you can use engine oil or a little bit of silicone paste and put a thin coat on the O-ring seal. Then we'll go ahead and lower this down into the engine. Once that's seated in there, you want to go ahead and install the bolt. Go ahead and get that screw started in there. Then we want to go ahead and snug that down. Once it bottoms out a little bit more, just want it to be snug. Go ahead and grab that electrical connector and install it. Now, if you happen to have a check engine light on due to this VVT solenoid acting up, be sure to use a scan tool to go ahead and clear that code, install this engine cover, and take it for a road test. Now, when we install the engine cover, there's going to be 4 points of contact here, 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 and here. Line up your oil fill, and once that's lined up, it pretty much lines up itself, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.